right, got a quick little one today. I'm gonna work on that hood ornament. Let's see what I'm gonna do.
In the all-new Mercury Monterey for 1963.
So this hood ornament on the Monterey is 50s something Mercury, and I love it. I think it's very cool, but I don't like this setup on it. And what I am going to do is I found a piece of trim, so I'm going to cut that and fill this space and get rid of this little pointy guy. So let me show you what I got. So I got a piece of trim that I don't even think this is the correct one because it gets off center as it gets to the end here. But this is what this trim initially did, is it went all the way back down the hood. But I don't like that. I still only want it to be like that long. So what I'm gonna do is cut it and put a clip on the bottom, run it through that hole, and have it be short and nice and look finished. So let's get to cutting. So now we gotta find that magic number where these pieces line up. No, that peak, the peak isn't totally on, but this about looks like it's it. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer than that and see what happens.
Go over the top. These need to wrap around.
So open those up and let's close. That seems to do it. The profile is still wrong, but now that it's bent, you're never gonna know. And flip it over to here. It's pretty much exactly what I was looking for. Then I just need to take one of these clips, take the nut off here, promptly lose it in my pockets, and get it in here. See if I can remember. Doesn't it go the opposite way? Goes in like that. Let me take that there, and let's line up the holes. All right, so I brought my best light holder out here. It's active lighting, I call it. All right. Down this way. There we go. Looks like that should spin. There it goes. Perfect. That guy's good. And now the nuts. I managed to not lose. Goes right here. And this is some size. All right. So there we have it. Easy peasy, a little different, needs polished up. I'll do that at some other point, but I will take it. I dig it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, follow, please. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.